Colla Capitals of Barcelona, building a 4x7. And the last round, they completed a 4x7 with artillery, so Camiseta Magulla. So this shouldn't be any problem for them. They had a nice performance here today, starting with a 3x7, let's say. Then they completed a Camiseta Magulla. And here we have the Barcelona thing. Here we have the doses in place. Cadona taking her position there. It also should open up. The inventory is quite close up there. Here we have it found anyhow. Up when the pressure disappears. So we have 100% of cargado completed by Barcelona in Catalonia, or here in Mollet de Vallès, Catalonia 2011.